getting it for your cough treatment, you have to carry your menthol crystal. That is my wonder quantity. This one. Some people eat it though. In my village they eat it. Menthol crystal now. That's what eat it. In my village. They eat it in my village. You see this menthol crystal now? You know, we agree that you take small like this. And tom mewa. Emando. That's the Pepsi. So you are feed up your this by yourself. That's why you don't fit up for you. For what? Wait, I know my class last day.
Yes.
Okay, in case you don't come that day. Ẹ má bínú mọ́ pé owó ilé fẹ́ mọ́tò wá láti lé. Ẹ má bínú pọ̀. Ẹ jọ, ní ẹ fẹ́ ṣe cough syrup. Ògùn ikọ́, ṣé ti jí? Ẹ ṣọ, orí fọyín, ẹ gba ipá, ẹ má bọ̀ láti pa wájú orí ilẹ̀. Ẹ bá pàṣẹ fún wọn, ẹ fi pa wájú orí ilẹ̀ dà. Ẹ gbé fún wọn ní wọ́n sọ. Then last week, that you know, I have you on Mondays. You understand? So you see me on Mondays. Unless I'm going to do a cover up, I'll come on Wednesday. Pepsi, this size. You carry your menthol crystal. This menthol crystal. It has oil. I'll show you before that oil. Peppermint oil. That peppermint oil is what I use when after putting egg in your face and serve it. I'll now wash it up. I'll now carry that peppermint oil, put inside water and wash your face for you. Or put small and massage your face. There are many small pimples can go off. Yes. But now that we are having this issue of brand, that peppermint oil also can be used inside your oil during the harmattan period or inside your butter. So that as you rub to your body, the harmattan will not catch you much. You're feeling warm small. Are we together? Yes. It's also used in doing our body production. That's why it's solid very hot. Now, that Pepsi, don't forget, once you buy one bottle of Pepsi, it has its own shape and size. Unlike Coke that has a Coca-Cola, big Coca-Cola, and all those conditions. Pepsi is only one direction, only one shape, one everything. You carry your menthol crystal, pinch of it, and that pinch could be the smallest baby spoon that look like if it is a nail now, that your nail can pack that thing. That's what I refer to as pinch. So now, that little menthol crystal plus tom mewa. Tell I'm not we use 5 because now it's now smaller. So we use 10 of it. We now powder it. When you powder it, pour it inside your Pepsi. They become hot before they break. But if you now want to make it thick, like those thick of syrup, they add your sugar to it, and little honey, and ginger juice, and garlic juice. They on the fire, it will not become thick. When it melts together, it becomes very, very thick. That's the difference. Ginger juice, garlic juice, or sugar. And that one, so you know, I should jar it. So you can add your cough syrup, right? Either the light one or the thick one. If I ask you during the exam, please don't fail. Promise. Don't spoil it.
Jugudi cough syrup a this formula me. No gonna a mamma dora. My cough syrup no. Imagine that also yeah more.
Question number 3 or number 3. Question number 3.
Hang on there.
She said, you know we are expecting 5 questions. We have answered 2. So this is the 3rd one now. She said, if somebody has gray hair and you want to darken that gray hair, what can you do? Number 1, you cannot change God's plan. Impossible. You can only appreciate that gray hair by making it to shine more and more. So you make it to look more beautiful. Apart from those local 5 minutes dying, I think yours die and wake up again. All those guys die.
Fainting, not
So you faint, I mean. So you appreciate it by making it look better. You cannot keep it. Yes, ma'am. Number 4. Listen, you like food too much. You like food too much. You like
ṣé orí yìí ò ní rá wa lẹ́nu wa ṣé a máa wá fi orí àti bí tá a bá ṣe kọ́.
Hello. Okay, we talk about how to convert your anti-purple. It's a go, it's a come. All missing, no, you can't go. See, that shea butter that we use to control our mouth odor. That's question number 4. We have just one more to go. She said that shea butter, won't it stay in your mouth or something? I've told you, once somebody have a mouth odor, fine, you must take enough water to ease the digestion. Then early in the morning, I will take water again to drink before I will brush. So if person get too much mouth odor and they do all these things, you still get the mouth odor. When people brush your mouth in the morning and in the afternoon, you go use only shea butter with your brush, no toothpaste, only ori. So that ori, it go soften those, say for that mouth they smell every day. It gets the person teeth stay big when food will enter inside that place. If you call it before 2 hours, it will decay, it will smell, it will sour. So that ori will melt in those only for those bowls. We don't want operate. It will melt, it will soften up. To come down in the morning, in the night, and before you know, the mouth odor will be adjusted. You still come again, you will run into the in shape of teeth. There are all those toothpick. If they punch, if they give holes. If you like, use that flux. If you like, use that this thing. If they punch mouth. Commonly, if you eat fish, you hold it for them, go punch for you. Like they also call you toothpick, because they press and when they push them in by themselves. You control toothpick. The last question. Are you awake? I like your hair. Okay. You are sleeping. You are left you are just.
You talked of after somewhere. Yes. That fibroid, right?
Okay, you are sleeping there. You are welcome. Yeah, you love nice. Okay, Sherry, tí ẹ bá ní èèyàn tí ó ní growth bí awé ìbàdógún àbí ìbàdógún àbí ó ní fibroid. Before you start treatment, if something happen, you quick detect that thing. It will easy to come out of it.
Yes.
But if you don't take, it will go small. I know say as we dey grow, our immune system dey reduce. Yeah. So if small pikin wan get injury now, it go quick cure pass adult own. But adult wey dey get patient for treatment, I still don swell up so, I bin don get fibroid like that. Next time you say, okay you just open one fine ladder, you open am like this, tear am, till they arrange am well, tear am, you come see only cloth. Yes. You come see this inside the package, only this thing inside, and it dey wet. And the time you say carry am, put am for your stomach, overnight, find belt, tie am, overnight. If na the hand the thing dey, tie am for the hand and stay wet like that. Every night, overnight. You go see say that thing there will dissolve the castor oil, will dissolve inside the skin. Before you know, it will come. You know when they wet like that before. I mean, like before it did, it will dey a bit dry. So if it's not enough finish, maybe after a week, you say, I still don't need dry. You know when I first carry out, when I do like this, you carry, you put that oil. No, it's not like that. So then I pass oil. No tell them anything. Then I say, yeah, say you don't use and finish. Buy another one again. If you can't pay you, if you don't go, just go back again. To the backyard. Wet and not be that thing again. Put them for one fine nylon. You say this ID card. Then see them happy. This card is the big one there. Put them inside out. If you can 20, you go buy them. Not too much talk. I still buy them so if you open it, they touch. Go carry them. Go put them for there where it don't swell up. Don't say let's one get 6 fingers, call it up, no go work. Or I go get 3 eyes, no go work. Now when you get growth, don't say they're born now. They don't go bouquet, the bouquet they will come, you don't go work because the bone for there don't steam. You don't steam. Don't say they're born now.
Foreign body, something like foreign body. Those things are true.
After show.
No.
After
Those foreign clothes.
you know we have growth. Hello. You know we have growth and we have growth. For use that formula on that stuff for a week or 2. Hear the difference. So know what kind of growth you are treating, but it will work. Thank you so much. I'll use my time.